Okay guys, welcome back. Here I have something very nice to take a look at. These are Japanese made slip joint pliers here. Just look at the finish on these things. There's the make. Very nice slip joint pliers these are. I just love the finish. Highly polished. The forging dies were very fine indeed, as you can see. And they you can adjust them. There's two sections here of adjustment. As smooth as silk they are. Got very nicely dipped handles on there in this nice bright yellow. What a lovely pair of pliers.